Hello. We are now on day 7 when boundaries feel like betrayal. There is a reason boundaries feel so hard for parents of prodigal children. It's because boundaries often feel like betrayal. You're not just saying no to a request, you're saying no while loving someone who was hurting, and that creates guilt. Many parents tell me, I know I need boundaries, but I feel it's wrong. It just feels wrong. That's because boundaries challenge a deep fear. What if my child feels abandoned? What if they think I don't care? What if this pushes them further away? So parents stay stuck between two painful options: say yes and lose peace, or say no and feel like a bad parent, possibly push them away. But that is a false choice. Boundaries are not punishment, they are protection. They protect your peace, they protect your home, and they protect your child from the belief that someone else will always rescue them. Even God uses boundaries. He allows consequences, He gives choices, and He stays present. Boundaries are not unloving, they are biblical. When you hold a boundary, you are saying, I love you, I trust God, and I trust you to face what you need to face. That is not abandonment, that is strength. I want you to ask yourself, which boundary have I been avoiding because I'm afraid of how it will be received? And what am I afraid will happen if I stop rescuing? Just notice what comes up. You are not cruel for choosing peace. You are courageous. Boundaries don't push people away, they clarify where responsibility truly belongs. In the next episode, we're going to talk about what happens when other children or relationships feel overlooked and how to restore balance there too. You are allowed to love your child and lead with wisdom.